Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's go to the thrift store. We're at the Salvation Army today. Let's check out what they've got on their shelves. I love a well-organized thrift store. All items in the same color family are together, so it makes it easier when you're looking for certain colors. I'm always looking for anything that's wood-toned, blue, black, white. Ooh, this is really cute. Too bad it's not blue. I'm looking for anything that I can use to decorate with and also to craft with, to make decorations with. At the end of this video, I'll show you what I bought. I didn't buy a lot, but I did get a few things. check out the furniture section. They actually had a very good selection of furniture. Ooh, this is cool. A wire basket. Oh, I think I have an idea for this one. I'm taking it. Those couches are horrible. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, this is nice. I think my mom's gonna love it. She has a lot of plants. The top is a bit scratched up, but once you put a big planter on it, you won't even be able to tell. I'm taking it. Oh, I almost forgot this vase. Going back for it. I think it was $7.99. And the plant stand was also, I think, $7.99 or $8.99. Taking that. And I think I also saw something else I liked. Oh, yep, this. I'm taking this. And I'll show you how I styled it at the end of this video. $2.99. I'm taking it. And now I'll show you how I styled my items. And here's the plant stand. It's actually from the Bombay company, which must have been very expensive. And I'm gonna try to see if I can find the price online. Oh, there it is. Oh, only $15. Okay, well, at least I got it for half price. I'm sure it was worth a lot more originally. I think this is just someone selling off the used one. Okay, still a great find, and my mom loves it. Okay, let's check out the rest of my stuff. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm new to this Thrift With Me video, so I'm hopefully just going to get better at it. If you have any tips, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.